Hi guys, I'm working on this jacket. I'm trying to put together some just final details of this camouflage jacket, guys. I'm trying to make those boots that scrunch down, and for some reason it didn't turn out the way that I wanted it to. So now I'm just trying to tweak the jacket and do little different things to the jacket. So I'm trying to see where I want these ruffles to go, up around here or where. And this jacket kind of got the puff sleeves. So guys, when I get it together, I'll let you guys see what it do. Okay guys, so the shapes, you're going to take the shape and make it sort of like some boots. So this is how I'm making this leg warmer thing. So I already sewn down the back, guys, and I'm going to take this part and I'm going to fold this over. And I'm going to sew this down. I'm going to fold this down. And I'm going to sew down. And then, guys, I'm going to take some wide elastic and insert it around. And that's going to make it hug my leg. So when you're wearing it, it'll hug your leg without falling down. And you'll have the scrunch effect, okay? So that's what I'm going to do, guys. And like I said, I added the ruffles to the jacket. And I'm going to the next step. So remember, guys, you're going to make one seam down the back of the leg. So measure out your leg and how puffy, how wide you want it. And then remember, you scrunch this down. All right? Okay, guys. So this is the outfit that I've been working on. And I would say the boots, I'm going to have to do them over, guys, because, Gino, stop. Every time I do a video, you start that. I actually didn't have enough fabric. And then with the boots, I started doing them, and these, I actually accidentally started making the boots too small, so it didn't work. So actually, it's just a cover up over the boot, and then I did turned them into leg warmers, because it didn't turn out quite how I wanted it to, guys. It wound up getting messed up. So if you guys see, the ruffles go up like that, and these is puff sleeve. So I figured this would be cute if you do it in denim or camouflage or anything. And I'm going to take off the boot, guys, and show you. These is just the leg warmers in these one boots I had, these stocking boots. So guys, you could put these on with jeans or however. See, these was the wrong boots anyway to start out with. So I shouldn't have tried to connect them to these boots, because I was actually making the boot too small. So if you guys see, you can wear them like a leg warmer and put on any other shoe. So say for instance this shoe. So if you guys want to make it, it might be easier than connecting the stuff to the boot, because I followed a lady channel and she did it, and I was like, oh, it looked simple, but actually when you put that hot glue on, the boot gets smaller. So you see how, like, if you use it as leg warmers, guys, you could put it on and put on other type of shoes too. And guys, this jacket, I didn't make it with any fasten or anything, because sometimes I take my jacket and just kind of leave it open like that, guys. So just wanted to show you guys. So make these out of leg warmers, guys, and put the elastic up there. If you can't connect it to the boot, follow the lady's channel. She did the put DIY boot cover up with the ruffle effect, and you can watch her channel and do it. But this one didn't work out good with this boot, guys, because what wound up happening is that when you start putting the stuff on there, the boot got smaller. So I had to take it off and just kind of do the bottom of the boot. And then the top is the stocking boot. So, okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching. And when I do the next one, guys, I will do it live for you guys can do a sew along. But first, I like to try it out to see how the project turn out before I actually launch it live, because sometimes it'd be a disaster. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. And guys, here is just a still shot. And then this is going to be a picture of the boots with the boots and with the other boots, so you can